Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to remove the radio from this 2008 Chevy Silverado. Alright, all you'll simply need is a trim tool removal. And just go ahead and reach back in here. And pull it all the way out, just like so. Grab here. And swing this down just like that. And just let it dangle. Alright, and we're going to be using a size 7mm to get this out. Now, you have to take all this out, and the reason for that is because everything is overlapping each other. So the only way to get this out is by removing everything. Fantastic of Chevy to do. So we're going to go ahead and remove all this, and I'm going to go ahead and use both hands because I don't want to drop that screw and lose it. Alright, and after you remove all 6 screws, just put them in a nice safe location so you don't lose them. Take off the climate control first, and then out comes the radio, and there it is. Now all you do is disconnect all these pigtails, all of this. Do take note that this is an aftermarket radio. This is not the stock radio, and that is how you remove this aftermarket radio. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.